All right, guys, we got this 2008 Buick Lucerne in. It's a 3800 displacement engine, 3800 series, sorry, 3.8 liter. We've got these ignition coils. We're going to be changing them out. Now, they're very simple to do. This is the order in which they come apart. So you can see cylinder 6, cylinder 3, cylinder 2, cylinder 5, and then this is going to be cylinder 4 and cylinder 1. So these aftermarket ones that I've got do not have any numbers on them. That's totally fine. We just have to remember which cylinders go where, and the wires that are equipped from the factory do have numbers on them. So just keep that in mind. The kit, if you buy one with these coils, they buy them individually. Most of them come with gaskets, some of them don't. So we need to swap our bolts over. They're 5.5 millimeter bolts. These coil wires just pull off, by the way. And then you just got to slip this thing on here. Line your electrical tabs up. There's just the two that were by that orange gasket. And then once it's on there, we can go ahead and run these bolts down. Make sure everything goes down nice and evenly. It doesn't have to be on there crazy tight. Cool, and then we'll just go ahead and plug these on. So cylinder 4, that one goes there. And then we have cylinder 1, that one goes there, just like that. If you want, you can put some dielectric grease in the connectors. That would help things from getting rusty. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments below. Like the video, give it a thumbs up. As always, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.